Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda CBR250R with ABS brakes. This bike is gorgeous. It only has 164 miles on it. The previous owner barely used it, and he's ready to move up. But if you want something to get you started, this is the bike. 77 miles per gallon, only $42.99 here. Save hundreds over new. Actually, I'm going to lower the price to $41.99. $41.99, 2013 CBR250R ABS, all black. The 13 models have black exhaust and black wheels. That's how you can tell them from the 12s. Great condition, ready to go. Still under factory warranty, right here at Contra Costa Powersports. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you.